Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. You know it's a girl, it's a different thing, and today I am back with you with another so good menu. Today I'll be cooking for you Rasta pasta, and over there I have some very interesting ingredients that I will be working with. In the bowl I have a bowl of noodle, I have 1 cup coconut milk, I have pop choy, I have 3 different bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, Rasta color that. I also have cabbage, I also have scallion, and I also have 2 carrots. I also have some seasoning that I will be working with to season this pot. I have 3 to 4 different seasoning in that bowl, but don't worry yourself, I'll be telling you the names of the seasoning. Now on the stove, I have my pot with some water, with 3 cups of water, and I have dazzled a little salt into the water. I am going to let my noodles boil for about 10 minutes and then you will see the other so good process. So in the meantime, while the noodle boiling, I'll be cutting my bell pepper. And there I have a lovely red bell pepper, half a bell pepper, and I will be cutting it, dicing it, slipping it, whatever way you want to call it. That's what I will be doing. After I finish cutting these bell pepper, then you will see the other process. And like I said before, I am using 3 different bell peppers, and you know that a Rasta color, red, green, or if you want to say gold, we use red, yellow, and green bell pepper. So guys, I'm now cutting my green bell pepper, and after I finish cutting this bell pepper, then I am going to move over to the pop chow. And I just want to take this time out to welcome my subscribers. I want to welcome my new subscribers and welcome also my old subscribers. If you are a new viewer, you are welcome. Thank you for joining this family and thank you for always stopping by. Now I am cutting my pop chow. There's no perfect way of cutting the pop chow because when you put it into the pot, it is going to shrink. And I am cutting my scallion. You could also add string bean to this, but I don't have no string bean, so the girl is just rocking with what she has. Here I have my cabbage. I'm not going to use a knife and cut the cabbage. I am going to shred the cabbage. The reason why it's better to use the threading to thread the cabbage than to use a knife. You could also use a knife to thread the cabbage, but I like using this tool. It's very easy to use. You don't have to stress yourself handling the knife. And now I am cutting my carrot, and I am cutting my carrot into small strips, small pieces to blend in with the other ingredients. After I finish cutting this, then I am going to prepare the sauce to add my vegetable in. And this is a no meat pasta. I will not add any meat because it's a Rasta pasta. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. You don't have to dread. And this is finished boiling, and I will be tossing this aside. I'm draining the water off, and then now I am going to make my sauce. So here I have my pot on the stove, and I'm just going to dazzle about 1/4 teaspoon oil into the pot. Then I am going to add my 1 cup of coconut milk. I am going to season this coconut milk with some seasoning. Yes, you need seasoning to season your coconut milk. I am going to use 1/4 teaspoon Mediterranean seasoning. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. I am also going to use 1/4 teaspoon garlic. I am also going to use some parsley. I am also going to use just a pinch of salt because you know the seasoning is already salt, so you don't want to overpower your pasta with too much salt. I also had a little chili flakes, and I had a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. You can add a whole scotch bonnet pepper if you want the spice, and this is what it looks like after I finish seasoning it and cover it to boil for at least 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in my veg. After I add the veg, I'm just going to add some thyme. Yeah, I'm gonna add some thyme, and I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt on it again, and I'm also going to add some pimento seed. You know, all this spice, when you finish with this meal, this menu, it's gonna be the bam diggy 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 bam 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 diggy diggy Bam, so good menu. And so there I'm just sprinkling a little thyme into the pot and I'm just gonna cover it and let it simmer. After it simmer down, I'm just gonna give it about 10 minutes to simmer down. I don't really want the veg to overcook and I don't want it to undercook. So I'm just giving it a little stir, 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 a little. Hey, and so guys, after I finish stirring that, then I'm gonna cover it. And that's the time, guys, when I cover it and it's 10 minutes past and this is what it looks like. You can see the milk, it is packed with so much flavor and spice. And now I am going to add in my noodle and I'm going to cover it. I'm going to stir it in with the veg and the noodle and the sauce, and then I'm going to cover it and let it sit for another 3 minutes because I want the noodle to get all that flavor. And now it is finished, guys, and this is what it looks like. And I will be serving this up, and this is a so good bomb diggy 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 bomb Rasta Jamaican pasta. You can add meat to this, but I chose not to add any meat because you hear what it's called, Rasta pasta, and you know Rasta don't eat meat, and this could also be a vegan dish. And so guys, this is what it look like when I plate it for you. I hope you guys enjoy what I did for you in the kitchen today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why not subscribe to my channel? Hit that notification bell and you will get a message whenever I upload my video. Until next time, guys, choose peace, walk good. You know this girl is